Very good evening, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. What a day it was. Actually, market fell down and closed near the low yesterday. And today it was a gap up, and you can see the price action is within the previous day's range. Tuesday's range. Actually, it broke below the yesterday, below the opening range, and closed below that. And market rallied, and it is a classical reversal pattern here. It rallied and it has gone past this previous day's level here. And then it has closed within this level. Now, today it is an inside day. Inside day is a coil day, compression day. So the volatility can expand on either side. If it expands on the upside, it can cross this level 24,702 and also 24,736. It may go up to 24,775 and 24,802. The market can do that because it has changed its pattern, maybe due to the stunted wick, or it may be the reversal pattern also. Because the market here, if I see the previous weekly templates, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, they are all down days, except it started more during, after 1 o'clock, it was a pump. After that pump, it was a dump on Friday, and again it was a pump, and Tuesday made a peak on going up to 24,702. Suppose if the market crosses this level, then it can go past 24,736 and it can reach the level of 24,775 to 24,830. You may be astonished to hear me because these are the levels. 24,956 was 31st July level and 24,736, no, 24, what is this level? This level is 24,772 was previous 1st August level. If the market starts coming up and conquer this level, it can do that. It can come up to this and it can make a double top and it can start coming down also. But that is a different question. What I'm seeing the price action is, it could have fallen like this, continued its down move like this, instead of it has turned up. And it has contained within the previous day's range. And when it is contained within the previous range, it is a coiling type of price action. That means there is contraction. Even the volatility contraction is also there, and it is an inside day. Inside days are very, very powerful signal days. If it breaks above this, it is very, very near actually. The inside day, previous mother candle day up is very near 24,702. If the market starts breaching this level, it can breach the 24,736 and it can go past this level also. I'm not too ambitious. I'm predicting. I'm anticipating those levels. So based on the India VIX is 12.14. Since this week, it is hovering around these levels only, 12 around 12, 12.1, 12.2, like that. So today, the VIX level is 12.14. Based on that, the calculations are daily high to be 24,775 and daily low to be 24,462. Weekly low to be 24,204 and weekly high to be 25,034. So, friends, tomorrow you need to be very careful. Don't trade on the wrong side. If the market gives you signal to the upside, there may be a huge expansion towards the upside. That may be a measured move. If we take this, let me measure this, it will be a measured move upside from here. That will come up to 24,834. If the trend continues to the upside, we can anticipate for a measured move uh, up to 24,834. Market is now around here. So that will be around 245 points expansion, you can see. Otherwise, if it goes other way, you can see an expansion of beyond this 300 points like this. Both ways, market can do something. And tomorrow is the last weekly. You must know this is tomorrow is weekly expiry day and also weekly close day too. Because on Friday it is holiday due to the Independence Day celebration in our Independence Day celebration. Sorry. Coming to the Bank Nifty is also making the same thing and it is a double inside days. Even yesterday, Tuesday, it was an inside day and today it is a more compressed, tight coiling day. The range is only from 55,026 to 55,301. That means only 300, not even 300 points, 270 points range. It is a very tight consolidation. If it expands, there will be an explosive move either to the upside or to the downside. So initially, you need to carefully watch the market because it is at the bottom of this level where the inside day has formed. And the same thing what the market did was on Tuesday, it closed near the low and it was a gap up and this low was not breached. 55,001 now was not breached. It made a higher low of 55,306 and closed within this range. Suppose if it starts expanding, you can anticipate for a big move like this, crossing this and going past this. And it is also the same thing, 1st August levels are there and 31st July is the highest level in this month. So 1st August level is around 56,111 and we shall anticipate for expansion in the Bank Nifty towards the upside. The price action, we will hope for that, will be. Otherwise, we can anticipate for a down move also like this. Down move going down also. So the levels to note down are 55,532 on the upside and 54,830 on the downside. Either this level is breached, there will be a huge move to the upside, or if this level is breached, there will be a huge move to the downside. Let me zoom it up and see what the price action you need to see. See, the market has come down. It has, see, one level you can see it was an imbalance. Imbalance was corrected actually. It came down, it made like this double bottom, and the market has closed like this. Suppose if it starts moving like this, it can go like that, and if it fails, it can start moving down also. The price action is very tricky. You can anticipate anything in this market. So even in the Nifty also shown a V-shaped recovery. You can see if the price action, if you see, let me take out this and let me take out this also. You can see the price action. It was the same type of price action. It's like a V-shaped recovery and consolidation, and it has made an higher high. So you can anticipate the up move if it starts moving inside. You need to be prepared for that. So what you can do is you can, since it is near this, you can keep both the call option 24,600 call option to 24,600 put option in your watch list. Let us check what has happened to the option 24,600 call option. Let us check what is the price running over here. Even the 24,600. So this is the double top over here from where this call option has come down. That is 179 points. And now it has shown this. Suppose if the market starts expanding, you can see expansion in the premium even going up to 200 to 230 you can anticipate. Otherwise, if it fails, it can become zero also. It can become zero. And let us check 24,600 put option, what it is doing. Already it is at the 35 level. It has breached this low today. It is preparing itself for the down move. So suppose in case before dying, they may push it higher a little bit. And if it fails to go past these levels, then it can trade lower. It can become zero also. So both the 24,600 call option as well as 24,600 put option, you need to keep it in your watch list for your. Suppose if the market starts falling, even this can go up like anything. It can be pumped up like anything, or otherwise either way. Either call option can appreciate or the put option can appreciate. If the market expires within the range, both will become zero. If the market expires, another inside day if it forms, there may not be any expansion in the market, then both these call option and put option can become zero. So, friends, trade wisely, trade with caution, and since there is no weekly closing day, the price action will be adjusted within Thursday. So let me go to the Nifty chart. Not here. Nifty chart. Let me close it. So it has closed around 24,619. If you see the price action, it is the same thing. It is making a double top. Sometimes it may go up, it may show some failure, and it may come down. So you should be ready for everything, or it may end up as one more inside day also, showing no direction in the market. Anything happen in the market. If the expansion comes, trend continues, it can go up to more than 24,800 also, or it can go below 24,500 to 24,200 also. We must be ready for both the things. Thank you very much, friends. Trade wisely, read the price action, have patience, you will get the trade. You will get the direction with my GAN indicator, pi indicator, as well as indicator, angle circle strategy. You can trade better. With that, you add MACD or RSI for the confirmation of the trend, and also to know the momentum, trade with that. Because tomorrow is expiry, be careful. Thank you very much, friends. Nalakshi Swami signing off.